Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Good morning. This is my SKETCHY F-150 super cab pickup truck. Done quite a lot of videos on it ever since I bought it about 3 months ago. So far so good. And I know my friend Andy from Jericho, who just changed his Grand Cherokee headlights to LED lights. And man, oh man, he took hours trying to fix it. He had to dismantle his entire front end to get the light bulbs in. That's how they make it like that. So when I was asked by AUXITO if I wanted to install some H13 LED lamps into my truck, I thought to myself, is this gonna take all day? But actually I was reading the instructions and it looked really easy. Pull out the old one, put the new one in. I hope it's that easy. Anyway, AUXITO sent me these H13 lights. They're good for 50,000 hours, okay? And they're supposed to be super bright, way brighter than your normal stock headlight bulbs. So they also sent me these, I guess they're called resistors, canvas. And if you have a canvas system, which I don't understand what it is, but either way, you could get flickering or you can get error messages on your dash. These resistors are supposed to prevent that, but they said 99% of the time, just plug and play into your module and the pigtail, right into your light assembly, and it should be good. Let's find out if that's true and see if we can easily install these H13 LED lights from AUXITO. So these are what my headlights look like now. So they're regular halogen bulbs, I guess. They're definitely not analog, but they're halogen. And they're okay. I don't really complain too much about it. But then again, I live in an area where there's a lot of street lights. So unless you're in a very rural area where there's no street lights and everything is super dark at night, it would really make a difference. But either way, I want to swap them out. Let's see what the existing lights look like and how easy it is. Oh boy. So not as easy as I would hope. As you can see, there is zero access from the air box here. You can't get your hand in there for sure. I would think you'd have to remove these two bolts to remove the light assembly, unless I can get in through here. And I can't, because even in there is where the radiator brace is. You can't go in from underneath because you can't see anything. Oh, actually I could feel the bulb. I could feel the bulb for the bottom marker, but I can't reach the top. Could I reach my hand in here? No, I can't reach it. So it looks like I might have to dismantle the headlight. Same goes for the right side light. If you peel this apart, you can see that you do have access to one bolt here, two bolts there. And perhaps that way you can reach it. You can actually kind of see it, or at least where it is, but there's no space for you to get your hand in there to turn it. So I think we have no choice but to remove the headlight assembly to gain access to the module. So it looks like it's 10 millimeter 10 millimeter socket, which is standard. The most used socket, 10 millimeter. That's two, and this one, yep. Makes it a lot easier when you have power tools. Ooh. Why doesn't it want to move? Wow, all right. That was easy, really easy. three sockets. One on the bottom for the side marker, the main one in the middle, and the right side one, which is for the turn signal. We only care about the main one, which is this one right here. They tell you turn it counterclockwise. Maybe we should unleash this pigtail first. Push down on the tab, pull out. Okay, I have a flathead screwdriver. Just going to push down on it, makes it easier. It did go counterclockwise, and the bulb comes right out, just like that. There we go. I think I broke the tab though. It was so brittle, you know. Broke it. It's okay. Once it plugs in, it'll be fine. Let's take a look at the LED one. Here's the box. Inside, they have included a couple of one pair of gloves, instructions, and there they are right there. Three-pin module. We'll compare it with the original, and it looks identical. Or at least the pin does. Hopefully we can just plug this in and we won't have any flickering or errors. I'm just going to plug it in. Could it be that easy? Uh-oh, what was that? All right, well, you know what? I'm gonna go test it out now. Okay, we're gonna see the difference between the new LED one and the original halogen one. Obviously it's daytime now, so the comparison is not gonna be great, but let's see if it has any problems with flickering. Wow! What a difference! Oh, I mean, visually for me, it's a tremendous difference in brightness. This is the analog or halogen one. See how yellow it is? Here's the LED one. Holy cow! And it's fantastic because it's not flickering. And then I'll check inside to see. Fantastic. That was pretty easy, you have to admit. Am I worried about the tab being broken and it slipping out? No, because it takes a lot of force and pressure to even pull it out right now without the tab. So I'm just gonna try to figure out how I'm gonna be able to put this back without breaking anything. Because you know, these plastic things are very, very fragile. Or like they say in France, fragile. That's fantastic. Super bright, super white. Just started up my truck and we have 0 error messages from the lights. So it looks like we will not need those resistors. That's excellent news. So there you go. Super easy to install. Didn't need the resistors because they did say 99% of the time you won't need them, but they included them for me anyway, just in case it had a flicker or an error message, which it didn't have either. These were plug and play. Thank goodness Ford makes it easy for you, relatively easy, to remove the headlight modules so you can just stick it in. Super easy install for the AUXITO LED lights. I'm very pleased. It's a world of difference from before. So much brighter, so much whiter light. So I'm super stoked. My truck now has 6000K color temperature, white light LEDs. Like I said, good for 50,000 hours. The housing is made of aircraft aluminum. Extremely high quality, and as you guys saw, super easy to install, at least on a Ford F-150. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna leave a link in the description if you guys are interested. Go check it out. AUXITO LED bulbs. These are the H13s for 2009 through 2014 Ford F-150. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. That's right. Here at Mowers and Blowers, we push them into the garage and they come out driving.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.